All the ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank all our sponsors, that is Doc Tutorials, Aparna, Hyderabad Interventional Forum, Doctors of Telangana, Tibarumal Jewelers, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Rachnoutsav, Telangana Tourism, and Sandhya Convention by KMK. Apart from this, I would like to congratulate all the winners and also our esteemed committee members, Dr. Narsaya Garu and Dr. Sridhar Kasturi Garu. Without you, this would have been not successfully done. And thank you so much, Poultry India staff and Hybiz team, and all the media friends who had made this. With your support, it would have been not success. Once again, Karthik and Venkat Garu, thank you so much. Pankaj Bhai, thank you.